I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
Hey guys, so today's video I'm just going to show you my night routine and how I style my hair in the morning. It's the end of the day, and as you can see, this is a wash and go that I did in the morning, and I'm going to separate my hair into two sections and just put them into two loose puffs. After that, I cover it with my satin cap and then it's time for bed. So the next day, I remove my satin cap, and then the first thing I do is moisturize my hair. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my hair by adding my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And as you can see, I don't want to cause too much frizz. I also spritz water to add a little bit more moisture. I don't drench my hair, as you can see. I just add a little bit of water, and then I continue scrunching in the product and separating my hair. Now, to be honest, since my hair has gotten longer, I don't usually wear my day 2 wash and go out because for some reason I do not like it. Now right here, some sections are stretched more than others, but that's kind of an easy fix because all I would need to do is just wet that section so it would shrink up back, but So what I'm doing is just putting it in a high puff. This is really my go-to style. So after a wash and go, after day 1 wash and go, day 2 is usually a high puff. So I'm just encouraging my hair into the direction that I want it to go. I'm adding gel around the perimeter of my hair. And then I'm going to brush it to smooth it. So the string that I'm using, it prevents snagging because it's kind of like a satin silk material. So it doesn't pull on your edges that much, as opposed to like a cotton material or a shoes lace, in my opinion. I pull the string to my desired puff size, and that's the size I'm okay with. So I just cross the ends of the strings over one another, and then I use a regular hairpin to just secure it in place. I'm using a wide tooth comb to just pick at the roots to get my puff looking fuller and kinda bigger. Then here I'm adding some more gel to my edges and just laying them down and swooping it. Sometimes I swoop it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on my mood or the kind of look that I'm going for. So yeah, after this, now I'm just gonna get my scarf, tie my hair with it for as long as possible, like until the gel dries or almost dries. And for the areas that are fuzzy, I just spritz a little bit of water and just coil the ends with my fingers. So after some time, like about 15 minutes, I just remove my scarf and that's it. This is how I prefer to wear my hair instead of wearing it out, even though it's only day 2, but I don't know, I prefer to wear a high puff So that's it, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.